Hey!
Oh, hey!
Oh, how's your house hunting going?
Oh, actually, it's going really well. I think I found my dream house. Look at
Ooh.
this.
Wow, that's great!
I know, right?
Are you going to buy it?
I made an offer, but I'm still waiting to hear back from the seller. So, knock on wood. So, knock on wood. So, knock on wood.
Wow, this non-native speaker knows exactly how to use the expression knock on wood. I hope she is able to buy her dream house. Let me explain more about this expression so you can use it too. The expression knock on wood is used when we are wishing for good luck or are trying to avoid bad luck. For instance, when you're hoping something will happen, you can say it. I think I'll be accepted to my dream school. Knock on wood. I think I'll be accepted to my dream school. Knock on wood. Or when something good happened and you want it to stay that way, you can say it. Things are going great at my new job. Knock on wood. Things are going great at my new job. Knock on wood. Often people knock on a table or something made of wood that's nearby them when they say it. In Britain, they also say touch wood. Many researchers think the expression came from ancient pagan cultures. In these cultures, they believed spirits and gods lived in trees. So knocking on the trees could be a way to wake up the spirit to ask for protection. Or it could be a way to say thank you. A similar expression is one that we have talked about before. Fingers crossed, or keep your fingers crossed. This is also used when we are hoping something good will happen. However, it's not used when something good has already happened and you want it to stay that way. One more similar expression is hope for the best. This is used when you are trying to stay positive and hopeful that things will improve or go the way you want them to. For instance, if you are waiting for some medical test results, all you can do is hope for the best.